The book of Nehemiah beautifully portrays the process of physical and spiritual restoration among God's people, centered on the rebuilding of Jerusalem's walls after the Babylonian exile. It highlights the power of faith, leadership, and prayer. In Nehemiah 1:11, Nehemiah prays, "Lord, let your ear be attentive to the prayer of this your servant. Give your servant success today by granting him favor in the presence of this man." As the cupbearer to King Artaxerxes, Nehemiah was deeply moved by the dire state of Jerusalem, yet, instead of despairing, he turned to God in prayer. This shows that true leadership begins with kneeling before God and seeking His guidance. When the wall was completed in just 52 days, even their enemies recognized God's hand in the work. Nehemiah 6:15-16 states, "They realized that this work had been done with the help of our God." This is a powerful reminder that when people unite in faith and perseverance, God can accomplish the impossible. Nehemiah also emphasizes God's grace and mercy. Nehemiah 9:17 declares, "But you are a forgiving God, gracious and compassionate, slow to anger and abounding in love. Therefore, you did not desert them." Even when the Israelites failed repeatedly, God's steadfast love remained. This reminds us that no matter our failures, God's grace continues to sustain and restore us. God's heart is always focused on restoring and renewing His people. The Holy Spirit speaks to us today, saying, "If there are broken walls in your life, come to me. I will rebuild and restore what has been broken." Nehemiah's story inspires hope. It shows that God is a God of restoration, capable of accomplishing what seems impossible when we approach Him in prayer and faith. May you experience His faithfulness and see His work of restoration in your life as you trust Him.